This is the best view ever.
I think people go rock climbing.
What? Holy crap.
Okay.
Smell like gum? You're a koala, mate.
Really, what?
How nice is that water? Hey, Jessie.
But I'm in the continental. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Continental.
Whoa.
More for the boys.
More for the boys.
It is down there, guys. And my tooth is lovely. Holy. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Did you? I'm going on a trip, going up a
Right, so we're going to Rotary Lookout.
Rotary Lookout. Let's go, dudes.
Parkour. Bye. Oh, I thought that was a leaf. It's not. We're nearly there. Bye. It's there when you've got a rock. So, we're heading up to the lookout. Bye, bye, bye. We're nearly there. No, we're not. We have to go all the way up there, guys. And we're all the way down here. There's our car. I feel like I've been here with Uncle Reed for some reason. I found an indigenous painting.
Oh, let's go.
Look, if you just crouch under there, you can see it.
Whoa. Cool.
Oh, that's really old poo. It feels so good to get out the house. I've got new Crocs.
Whoa.
I'm sorry.
How's that for you?
But we only just got up here.
Film it. Wow, how pretty is that little cove?
I'll go.
It's like paradise. It is paradise.
Hey, you can see islands. Wait, isn't that where we flew over? Welcome to paradise. Keep hiking. There's a bench that you can sit on.
It's like being in Northern Territory.
Yeah. It says lookout is just here.
Yeah, we're already here.
What? That was too quick.
Yeah. Which I would love to do. Keep getting too hard. This is sick. I love this one.
I'm gonna see what the view looks like up here. Wow! Dad! Dad, get up here. What is it? What is it? A water?
A woomera. The Aboriginals spin it and it makes a noise. It's the way they communicate.
Why? What did... Dad, come look at this view up here.
Wow.
Welcome to Bowen!
Yeah.
So look out, I'm not even there yet. Look at that white mountain through the mountain. And look at the... Oh, there's a... Like, is that the Titanic?
Where? Where?
Yeah.
Look how long that bridge is over there. Oh, yeah.
That's a car boat.
Wow.
It's a-
That's Interesting. That's how they get the coal all the way over to the boat. Because it's too shallow for the boat to come into land. Wow. Huh. Let's go, dudes. I'll hold this.
Okay.
Why? Let's do this, hikers. Let's go to the lookout.
I just found a really curled up leaf.
Whoa. They look like a caterpillar. Yeah. We're here. Wow. Look at the scary bridge.
Dad, you don't go up there. You stay here. Oh, that is not stable. Oh, look down there.
This is cool.
People
Wow.
are going rock climbing up there.
This is the best view ever.
I think people go rock climbing.
What? Holy crap. Wow. Look. Yeah. Hey Jesse, what do you think, man? Hey Jesse. Hey Jesse, what do you think? This is a pretty good view, man. Want to see the view? Let's check out the view. Woohoo! Yeah, boy.
Where the bloody hell are you?
Alright, let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So you can go there now tonight. Smell like gum? You're a koala, mate.
It actually tastes quite good.
Yeah, eucalyptus.
Can I follow it?
No way.
Oh, look, someone's written their name. MMM. MMA fight. MMA. 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 Do you guys know Conor McGregor? He's never lost an MMA fight. Never lost an MMA fight. Wait, did I say it right? No, it's an. He's never lost an MMA fight. Crikey, mate, that might be a miniature kangaroo paw.
Huh?
But no, Joe. That's been a very long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Cut now, Joe. I'm really thirsty. Yeah. Refreshing. Meet you guys at the hotel.
Crab.
Where?
It's probably a crab hole.
One answer.
How soft is this sand? So nice.
I'm gonna skin this.
No throwing it. This one. That's it.
Really what?
How nice is that water?
Nice, but there's probably box jellyfish.
Yeah, there could be box jellyfish here.
Oh, look how deep it gets.
Look at these big boulders, buddy. They look like whales.
Can I stand on it?
Yeah, it looks like a whale.
Guys?
Yeah, that one does.
This one?
That one there kind of looks like a whale.
Oh, the key.
Yeah. How cool's Bowen?
So cool. I want to take a finger about it.
Yeah.
Lizard. Lizard. Do you go and walk in?
Find it.
I can't. Can you hold this? While I get up here. Did you see that cool move?
Yeah. Anything down there, buddy? What did you see? You saw a lizard?
Yeah.
How big was it? Oh. Come on, let's go get some lunch. Let's go.
See you guys at the hotel.
So what do you think of Bowen, dudes?
Cool, but I think there's
What
a
did you
shark.
find on the beach?
You know, I win.
We put that back in the rubbish bin.
I think there's a shark out there. We're not sure what it is.
Yeah.
It could be a shark. Couldn't it?
Yeah, it might be. I think it's just a crab pot. Shall we go?
Yeah.
Let's roll.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. Did you?